Namaste and Nihao. I'm Dishain, and in today's video, I will guide you through a QiGong routine designed to help you bring balance and stability. This session features key movements such as 2 hands hold up the heaven, Rooster spreads its wings, and the swimming dragon exercises and more. Each aim at improving your coordination, balance, and boosting your overall well-being. If you are looking to strengthen your body or calm your mind and find inner stability, then this Qigong exercise is for you. The secret to unlocking this benefit is simple. Starts today and committed to practicing daily and make 1% improvements. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily Qigong practices. Let's get started.
Let's begin by calming our mind and grounding our energy in the Wuji posture. Let's practice Dantian Breathing. Raise your arms up to the sky as you take a deep breath in through your nose. As you slowly lower your hands to the area just below your navel, feel your breath filling the space. Notice how your abdomen gently expands with each inhale and contracts with each exhale. This breathing nourishes your internal organs and centers your energy, bringing a deep sense of peace and vitality. Now, gently raise your arms in front of you, palms facing up as if you're holding up the sky. As your hands reach above your head, stretch your body slightly upward. Slowly rotate your torso from side to side. Inhaling as you turn to one side, pausing, then exhaling as you turn to the other. This act of lifting up the heavens is a reminder to elevate your thoughts and intentions to align your actions with higher purpose. This movement opens the chest and expands the lungs' capacity, promoting circulation and balances the body's energy. Next, let's move into separating heaven and earth. As you inhale, push one hand upward towards the sky while pressing the other downwards towards the earth. Feel the graceful extension between heaven and earth as your body lengthens. Alternate your hands and repeat. This exercise represents the balance of dualities of the universe with you, the light and the dark, yin and yang, heaven and earth, and enhances the balance of energies within the body. Let's wake up the body by knocking on the door of life. Gently twist your torso from side to side, allowing your arms to swing naturally. Start by lightly tapping your lower back. The door of life is not just a physical point in your body, it is the gateway to your vitality, your life force energy. As you knock on this door, it awakens dormant transformational energies within you. Slowly move your tapping up the body. Feel the warmth and energy awakening along your spine, nourishing your kidneys, heart, and shoulders, promoting vitality throughout your entire body. Let's move into spinal cord breathing to energize your spine. Inhale, gently arc your back, lifting your chest and draw your shoulder blades together. Feel the spine lengthen and open up. As you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin towards your chest and drawing your navel inwards. Feel the gentle contraction as you release tension from your spine. The spine is the bridge between heaven and earth, the axis of your being. As you breathe through your spine, imagine it as the central channel through which life energy flows. This movement symbolizes the flow of life, the constant rise and fall, the changes throughout the seasons. Embrace the flow of creation as you connect with the breath of life itself. Now let's perform wave hands like clouds. Start by extending one hand and gently sweeping it from side to side in front of you, as if guiding a soft cloud. Switch hands and maintain your focus on the hand that is moving, allowing the dominant hand to lead into each transition. Focus on the fluidity of the movement, allowing your breath to guide the pace like a song. This peaceful exercise promotes relaxation, balance, and harmony within the body. This Qigong exercise teaches us to embrace the ever-changing flow of life, moving with ease and adaptability, like the drifting clouds. Release any rigid energies and become as flexible as the clouds in the sky. Next, we'll practice rowing the boat. Imagine you are seated in a small boat with your hands in front of you. Push forward as if rowing through water. As you pull back, straighten your spine and inhale deeply. Feel the movement strengthening your back and arms while engaging your core. This helps to strengthen the body while enhancing flexibility and a calm mind. Now let's move into Rooster spreads its wings. Relax your shoulders and feel the spinal joints warming up. Begin by interlocking your fingers and circling your wrist in all directions back and forth. Expand this movement to include your elbows and shoulders. Draw your right elbow up towards the sky, making a big circle, and then draw the left elbow up and around. Feel how this opens the rib cage, spine, shoulder joints, and wrist. Use your hips and waist to guide the movement. As the right arm moves forward, the right hip moves forward. As the left arm moves forward, the left hip moves forward. Stretch as if you are a rooster stretching your wings. Balance here for a moment, then slowly switch sides. This exercise enhances balance, strengthens your arms, and releases tension in the joints and digestive organs. Feel how centering this movement is and how it promotes alignment in your body with focused intention. Let's flow into the swimming dragon, one of the most powerful dynamic movements in Qigong. Stand with your feet together, with your palms together. Begin to sway your upper body in a fluid motion, as if you are a dragon swimming through the water. Keep your movements smooth and continuous, feeling the flexibility and stretch in your spine. This exercise opens the energy channels, particularly in the spine, and enhances overall fluidity and strength. The dragon is a powerful and mythical creature and symbolizes transformation and renewal. Practicing the swimming dragon can inspire a sense of personal growth and empowerment and helps balances yin and yang energies. The integration of gentle and strong movements reflect the dynamic balance between these energies. Next, let's try Golden Rooster stands on one leg. Shift your weight onto one leg and lift the other knee, bringing your foot to rest lightly near the opposite knee. Raise your arms, elbows slightly bent like the wings of a rooster. Focus on your balance and breathe deeply. This pose strengthens the legs and improves concentration and grounds your energy. Let's end with the Microcosmic Orbit. Close your eyes and visualize a stream of energy flowing up your spine, over the top of your head and down the front of your body, completing the loop at the perineum. Breathe slowly and guide your energy through this orbit with your mind. This advanced practice helps to circulate and refine the body's internal energy, harmonizing the flow between the various energy centers. To finish, return to the Wuji posture, take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy settle into your body.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily Qigong practices. Also, do let us know in the comments which part of the routine helped you feel most balanced.